There, Barkley. I got the leash on your collar. You're all set. Oh, hi. Guess what we're going to do? Barkley and I are going to go for a nice walk in the park. And I put a leash on him so he won't get away. Sometimes he gets into a fight with another dog, and I'm afraid they're going to get hurt. Or he'll run away from me, and I won't be able to catch him again. But he won't with this leash. Ha, 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 Barkley. Wouldn't want to lose you. Well, we're going to go for a nice little walk in the park. Come along. Whoa, whoa, Barkley! I'm supposed to be taking you for a walk, Barkley!
Barkley's dinner time. Barkley! Barkley! Dinner! Barkley! Have you seen Barkley? Oh. Big Bird took him to the park, yeah. Well, he should be coming back for his dinner by now, I think. Barkley! Dinner! Barkley!
Oh, Barkley,
Come on, boy. All right. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. Just wait. Okay, let me put it down here. Okay, there you go. All right, good boy.
Time to eat. Go ahead, you can eat now.
Good.
One thing about Barkley, Gordon, he always obeys. That's it. Go ahead. Don't be afraid to eat, Barkley. Dig right in there. That's a good pup.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters O and P and by the number 5.